Okay, Beal was a dud, didn't work. So I went upstairs and looked in my NOS box, and hey, there's a brand new Harley one. Good thing I got extra parts. Alright, so I only have one though, so that's a good thing. Alright, so I'm going to take this off and see if that'll fit on that without a problem. As far as I know, they're all the same, except for that one oddball pump that turns the opposite direction, whichever the hell that's off of. Don't know what it's off of. I had the pumps, so I know they made them. Let's see. Big socket. Is it gun? Pull that one off. Mess already. Okay. No markies. Shouldn't matter anyway. Just make sure it slides in there like it's supposed to. And this does not fit. It's off of something else. It's not a Sportster part. And it's turning the wrong direction. The helix angle's wrong. So it goes the opposite direction. So this is probably off of something that has a bigger spline on it, which narrows it down to real quickly to a knucklehead part. So knuckle and flathead. So that'll be 38 to whatever they changed from one piece, 39 up to you know, 48. Or actually to 53, excuse me, painted too. Alright, so that didn't fly. Alright, this is going to go back on it. So it's worn. If I turn it the other direction, maybe it'll be better. I think I'll try that, seeing I'm in here playing. It was definitely going clunk, clunk, clunk the one way I was doing it. A little bit smoother that way. I guess I was turning the opposite direction I normally was turning. Shear mark lines up again. Way collider. That's turning the gear opposite how it was worn. Still a little bit of noise, but not like it was. Yeah, still makes noise going backwards. Alright, that might not be any different. Turn it back, it still makes noise. No, either way, we're staying with it. Waste of time. I knew I was going to use it anyway. Alright, well, that goes back on the shelf. Maybe I'll bag it so I know what it is this time. Mark down what the hell it really fits. We'll get it quick, we won't lose it. We'll put it up there for now. Okay, back to putting parts together. Okay, the single gear cams go in first. These are single gear, these are double gear. In case you didn't know the difference. Racing cam goes on rear cylinder, stock cam goes on front cylinder. Very important. Makes a big difference on how it runs. Pre-live your gears a little bit. Pick one of these you like, doesn't really matter which one. This is exhaust lobe, so it goes in there. This crappy cam, intake lobe. That's enough on that guy. Let's go to the washer. But this one really matters over here is this tack drive. A little bit on that shaft there. And a little bit on the small gear. Small gears are actually drive gears. Line up the marks, even though it doesn't really matter, as long as the lobes don't hit each other. Okay, and this one does matter. So, put a little lube on the cam, a little bit of lube on the shaft. And then this one gets the gears all the way around, including the big one. It's the main drive gear for everything. That one kind of matters. And the timing does make a difference on this one. So it helps to put it in the right spot. Where's my mark at? Yes, I have put it in wrong before. Doesn't run very good. It does run though. Come on, what are you fighting me so much for? Not even close. Come on, slip it cog. Yeah, there we go. Interruptions. Hello. Alright. When you ask if I'm a shop and I answer the phone, it's the wrong number. That means Google is helping me. I wish I'd lose my phone number. Okay, so the important marks are these two here. These ones aren't so important, but I kind of like putting them together anyway, so I know they're close. And you can see how that one's off the tooth over there already. And that one there, it's hard to tell if it's on or off. I'm going to say it's on. But these two back here are definitely on. The problem with this cam just putting them in is the lobes hit each other, so it won't just slide right in. You have to kind of let it move out of position, drop it in, and come back to it. Now this one here, I don't like where it is, so I'll just pull it out. Put it over a tooth, put it back in. And see, now it lines up a lot better. So there you go. So the key ones are right there. Those ones are lining up perfectly. And that's the one I care about. Everything else, as long as the lobes don't hit each other, it doesn't matter. It's only a tack drive. That's all those cams do, drive my tack. Nothing's hitting, so that's a good sign. It means it'll work. Okay, looks like I need a new gasket. I thought I brought down some gaskets. This must be the new gasket right here. Yeah, we didn't need that one. Okay, so when you put your gaskets on, you want to make sure they clear everything. So you want to make sure the oil gallery is sealed. This hole I don't care about. Everything else lines up like it's supposed to. So this is for an earlier model. It has a bolt right there. They eliminated bolts on light covers. Everybody says you put newer parts on because they're better. Nope, just cheaper. You don't need all them bolt holes. Let's leave some of those out. Okay, so gasket works fine. So usually what I do is I snot it up onto the cover, and I leave the case, I leave it dry. Actually, I put oil on it, so it'll come on and off the cover, and I won't tear the gasket when I bring it off, because it comes off frequently. That gasket I just took off has been on there for years. Okay, where's my gasket goop at? Gasket sand. It's getting really hard to come by these days. I'm not sure why nobody's stocking it anymore. Probably because it costs too much because it's good. Okay, so now all you do is come across here and seal it up. one layer is all you need, nothing fancy. And this one here, you got to make sure you seal up the correct side. Got a board around here. Oh, I do have a board. I got my gasket board. All right. Guess why I call it a gasket board. Oh, what are we doing? I'm already wrong. No, I'm correct. Cam cover side. Got confused there for a minute. So now you get too much sleep. Yeah, like that happened. 29 gigs of video I had to go through last night before I went to bed. Didn't post it, just made it in the computer. Alright, this goes on to here. Just like that. With a street bike, I'd be gooping this all up, but this ain't a street bike. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the assembly lube, this one, and we're going to put it onto the appropriate surfaces that are dry right now. Forgot to lubricate the drive gear. And now we're going to put oil in the gasket over there. So hopefully it won't stick to the case. I'm going to pull it off next time. Who's going to be the first one to tell me it won't work now that I got oil in the gasket? Now the gasket will leak. Yeah, sure. Sure it will. Alright, oil on that. Okay, everything looks good. Bearings here on top of my my pinion shaft over there. Put a little bit of oil in there just to make sure they got something in there besides nothing. Once it gets oil pressure, that'll pressurize anyway, but it doesn't hurt to have some in there right now. Okay. And I probably should lube the bushings too, just for the hell of it. Can't overlube. Alright. We are well lubed up now. Lots of lube. Gasket's well snotted up. It's all lined up. Find a sweet spot where they all go on. Yeah, there it goes. Slip and slide goes right in. Now you pull all your cam cover screws out. There's either should be three different lengths. It might only be two though, but let's see them. Yep, there's the longer ones. So you got long ones, mediums, and short ones. Short ones are easy to go here. And the shortest one's actually down there, but I'm not sure why that doesn't have another short one in there, but who knows. Long ones there, long ones here, long ones over here, long ones over here. And we got extra screws, so there's something wrong. These must be primary screws. We got too many screws. And these are the cam cover screws. Yeah, there's a real short one right there. I knew something was up. Still got 3 lengths. Oh, no, we got 4 lengths. We got one oddball one in there. Okay, short one. The shortest one there. The next 2 shortest ones are these 2. And these are all the same length. Boom, 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 and the next one is this one. Boom. There you go. Those all match up. Must be doing it the right way. Run them until it touches. I don't like using power tools when I'm putting screws in because it tends to screw them up. No reason to. Quit being in such a hurry to do your job, do it right. I know the wrong number again now? Yeah, we'll see. Hello.